Let me think. Okay, we have one more tool that I want to show you that often gets overlooked, and it's not in the left-hand menu. It's actually under the settings here. So I've gone
Hmm.
up to the right-hand corner. And when I come here, Jungle Scout also allows you to set up alerts. So let's say that you want to know whenever the price changes on a given listing, or if another seller is added to the listing, or if somebody leaves a review, or if the rating changes by a certain amount. Jungle Scout can send you email alerts based on all of those things, and you can do it often based on a percentage change or a discrete number change here. This is particularly useful for people who are all competing on one listing against multiple sellers. So if one of them decides to like hijack the listing and within the email settings themselves, you can tell Jungle Scout like what time of day you want that to come, how often, which day of the week, which particular alerts to include in the email. And then I also really like that we can give you a sort of sales snapshot of your Amazon business if you've connected your, so it gives you that kind of sales analytics breakdown that we were looking at, but in an email format. So if you're a busy person juggling multiple hustles, you don't always have to even come into the tool. You can just get that nice little email newsletter.